I'm sure you must have been seeing these trending baby dancing videos everywhere with millions of views. This is the fastest and easiest way to create your own. Head over to TikTok and search for any dancing video of your choice. Once you find it, screen record or download the video. Head over to Google Gemini and generate your image. This is the prompt I use. I will leave it in my Telegram channel. If you want to use it, kindly go to my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Copy it and use it for yourself. Step 3. Head over to Google Chrome and search for the Higgsfield AI website. Inside the website, click on Sign Up so that you can have access to the features we want to use today. After signing up, click on Edit Video. You can find it under Video. Then click here to upload your video, the one you downloaded from TikTok. Then click here to upload your image, the one we generated with Google Gemini. Inside the prompt section, type just like this. Make her dance using the reference video. Under Quality, change it from 720 to 1080. Under Video Orientation, leave it at the default settings. Then click on Generate. Now, let me show you the second website you can use to generate the same video. Head over to your browser and search for Kling AI. Click the first link you see. Click on Experience Now. Click on Video. Now go ahead and upload the reference video we downloaded from TikTok. Go ahead and upload your reference image as well, the one we generated with Google Gemini. After uploading both image and video, click on Generate. This is going to take a few minutes, about 5 to 10 minutes. At the end of the day, this is the result. Once you are done, click here to download it. Do you want to continue to see more useful contents like this? Like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and share with your friend and family. Bye for now.